Hey everyone, this is Eric with Auto Replay back again. Just going to make a quick short video about this Biocide. It's an auto air freshener, I don't know how to explain it. I'm just talking about the product. I've already used it on this Copart flood car and it's fixed. I just didn't make a video about it. So before I actually throw the product away, I wanted to explain how to use it and how good it is, okay? So here's the product. It's made by Biocide Systems Auto Shocker Quick Release. It cleans the air. It's not just like an air freshener. It actually eliminates odors. It could be, pets, musty, mold, old pizza, whatever kind of smell that's stuck in cars, anything like this. This will actually get it fixed. And I'll actually use this, but I'm gonna show you how it works. It comes with like a little cup right here. You see how weathered that one is, and there's a pouch that you would actually open this up with. So in a sense, you just take a bottle of water, get your water right here, you open this up, right, and you fill this little container right here with your water. So we're gonna fill that up. You would have a different pouch that you open this up, you open that, throw it in there, you take this and you pour that in there, and basically you would actually take that and put it in the car and you let it sit. So go ahead and lock this thing, and you just put it in the car. And I left it overnight, tell you the truth, because this car was pretty bad. And just let it sit right there, and make sure your windows and everything are sealed up. And I mean, what this thing does, I'll do a dramatization, but it will go until like all these little holes, that's in the seats. It'll go into the vents, it goes in there. It goes all in the carpet. This carpet needs to be cleaned, but it'll go all in there. It goes in all these little fabrics and everything, so it cleans it out. I could tell actually in this car that it's not as moldy smell anymore. It had a little smell to it, like it's been sitting up for a while. So it actually works. I want to show, this is what it says. It could be cigarettes, chemicals, paint. New cars usually smell pretty good. I don't know about that. Maybe about old car. Food, pets, fire. It could be a fire, trash, body, fish, any kind of odor. It does not mask. It eliminates the odor permanently. This stuff works. If you need to get rid of a smell, they make machines that sit there. This stuff is just a chemical reaction that actually takes care of it. So I definitely would agree on using this. And you can't use it in direct sunlight, so you may want to keep it in the car that's in the shade or in the garage or something like that. But yeah, spoiled milk, skunk, gas. Look at all this stuff, mildew, flooding. So this thing works great. Actually was told by Honest Auto Repair, he put on the air compressor. He told me about that because he actually pulled in his garage and found out that had a little moldy smell to it, and it cleaned it out, man. It smells great now.